Hey, what's up, traders? So we're running a contest every single month. We pick one winner who comments, likes, and to subscribe to my channel and comments on every video this month. We randomly pick a drawing, and hopefully it's you. Just be sure you like, comment, and are subscribed to this channel, and you'll get free access to our full training academy and everything it is have to offer. Good luck, peace, and enjoy the next video.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? It's June 24th, 2020, and this is our update video for the week. It's Wednesday, and a lot of, as predicted, pretty much from Sunday, it's been a ranging market. There's not any real direction. We caught some pips today in our VIP group, so I'm going to go over those trades and go over what I'm looking at going into Thursday and Friday. So without further ado, let's pull these trades up. I think we have quite a bit to cover, and also, if this is your first time meeting me, please like, comment, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. You know, I put out so much value and so much free content, and always trying to just show at least my interpretation of the market. So it would help me out a ton to get me in the algorithm and maybe get my video shown one day. So who knows? But okay, so here we are. We're looking at Aussie Swiss, and this is one because we've been trading it for quite some time. Here we are, AUDCHF. And you can see this is actually a good example, because on this iPad, everything's been more or less erased. So we have a couple things going on here. One of which is trading this false breakout, right? So we had this false breakout here, depending on where you want to put your trend line, but this would make perfect sense. Let me share my screen with you all first. This might be important. There we go. Okay, here we go. So Aussie Swiss looks good. You can see how we have a nexus here, and we're dripping lower towards these take profit zones, which also happens to be a stop loss as well. So I think I'm going to exit out of this buy and still stick with our short positions. Personally, I think this looks like a much better setup. So let's take a look at pound yen. So pound yen's been getting a lot of movement, and I've been bearish yen, and so buying against yen pairs. Whoa. But so you can see we had a nice little breakout here. We caught some pips earlier and then a retest, and this is where we re-entered. So I'm still long pound yen. I think this is going to be a great trade. And especially if, as long as we don't see any big risk off action, which as I stated earlier in the week, I don't really see that happening too much, then I think, you know, we are in for some movement across the board with yen pairs. So AUDNZD. So this is another trade that I entered that we had been trading because of this false breakout here. Because of this false breakout, and it continued to kind of break above this resistance. So this is going to be a make or break zone, whether or not the Aussie contains its strength, keeps it, or if it breaks down. And because, you know, I think we've tried so many times in this area here that the downside looks so much better, especially going into Asian trade. So But you know, bottom line right now, the market's all over the place. You know, it's really hard to get a single read on anything. Euro yen is looking good as well. And from here, this looks like a pretty standard breakout, right? Breakout and retest. So I know we have a sell order here, but I may reevaluate this. So we're going to see how this pans out later on once things start kicking up in Asian session. But EJ to the downside. And look, you know, there's multiple ways you could do this too. Like this. And also, whoa, like this. So, like I said, no clear direction right now in the market other than I think next week is when we will see it. But if we see any sign of this starting to rally, I think I will be happy to switch my bias, let me put it that way, to a bullish bias on EJ. So it's just really a hard, it's very hard right now to pinpoint what these pairs are doing. So so with that being said, stay safe out there. It's really ranging market. So trade small, focus on the training, focus on developing yourself as a trader. And I think next week is when we're going to see some big moves, big pips, and a lot more opportunities in the market. So that being said, if you liked what you heard, if you want to learn some of these strategies, click the link below to get started. We would love to have you. Peace.